In this video, we will create the eyes for our emoji. We will use the ellipse tool. Go to your toolbar, select the ellipse tool, click in your artboard, then put 40 pixels into it and 20 pixels in the height, then click OK. You can see that the eye here in our project is rotated. So what we are going to do is to select that eye and go to Object, then Transform, then Reflect. In the angle here, we will tape 352 degrees and click OK. So we've created the eye. Let me zoom in so we can see what's happening. Now select the eye and move it and position it in on top of our yellow circle. We need to see if the eye is similar to the eye in the first project. I think the position here is good. I think that's good. Now what we need to do is to create another eye using the reflection tool. Select first the eye, go to your toolbar, select the reflection tool. You will find here a rotate, the rotate tool instead, so just right click and choose the reflect tool. Then place your cursor or that plus sign on the top anchor point of the yellow circle. We need also to click and hold the Alt keyboard and then click in our mouse. In the window that will appear, click vertical, then click copy. So in this way we've made the eyes for our wow emoji. See you in the next video.